Hi, it's Kevin here from howtoblogwithwordpress.net, and today I'm going to show you one of the two plugins that I use to reduce the amount of work that has to be done to load my front page in my blog. It's speeding up my blog is what I'm trying to do, and one of the plugins that I use is an image suppressor, if that's the right way to rephrase it. It's called wpsmushit. This plugin, once installed, works in the background, but essentially what it does is it reduces your file size by stripping out all the metadata and all the other junk that gets uploaded with your picture when you do it through your dashboard of your WordPress site. So you get this the same as you get any other plugin. If we come to the top and we go to add new in the plugin section, and we'll just let that load. Okay, when you get to here, we're simply going to type in wpsmushit, and you'll see it's already been searched for a number of times. We'll click that and we'll let it load. And you can see, because we search for it by name, it's the top one. It gives you an idea of roughly what it does. It strips out metadata from JPEGs, optimizes compression, converts certain GIFs to PNGs, etc. You'll see it's installed on mine, and if you want the details, you click the details button and it'll take you away to the site where you can download this plugin, and it'll give you all the details you need. All you need to do is install it and activate it in the usual way. And then what you do is you go to your media library under Media, Posts Media. If you expand that, you'll see Library and Add New. If you go to your library, and again we'll just let that load. Okay, and when you get to your library, you'll see all the images you have on your site. Now when you first get here and you've just uploaded this, you will not see any reduction in any of your images you have on your site at that point in time, because they haven't been run through the plugin. You have to manually do it for all of your plugins. For all of your images. So all you'll see is it'll say not smushed or not processed under here. Just click the button and it'll go away and it'll add that to the pile, run it through the plugin, and come back with all that data stripped out. So it's now reduced the file size, and you can see it's reduced this by a percentage. It's only 1.2% in this case, although if I go to some of my other pages where my other images are stored, you can see that some of these are reduced by 21% or more. And if you go right down towards the bottom here, some of the bigger images, it's not unusual to see it reduced by 40 or 50% in some cases. And one other thing is there's also a limit of an image size, and that is 1 megabyte, and you see that here. So if you've got images more than a megabyte, it won't smush it, it'll do nothing. It can't do it, in other words. But at least if you've got images on your front page that are a megabyte or more, you shouldn't have them on your front page for a start. They're within your blog, but I highly recommend this plugin to reduce down your media image size, makes them load much faster, and once it's installed, you don't need to touch it again. Outside of doing your initial smush it. So if you've only got a couple of images, it takes you a matter of minutes. If you've got a lot like I have, it would take you a while, but you get there in the end. But what you want to concentrate are ones that are on your front page. So if you have your front page load like I do, with a list of your last 5 posts, look for images in those 5 posts, smush them first. Okay, and then after that, anything that's uploaded after that will come through the system anyway and be automatically smushed and reduced down. So that's one of the plugins that I use for reducing my load time in the search engines and in web browsers. So the next one I'm going to show you is the real master plugin that I use for speeding up my site, and you'll find that in a video just below this one on the blog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.